Come man, or if I start the cartoon, man, Ted for up in here.
Yeah, this was unexpected. But oh, it's about to be entertaining.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Natalie.
Get ready to laugh till your stomach hurts.
So guys, you know, ask for pepper noodle challenge. So
grab your popcorn and your favorite drink.
I eat where I go mad out, you know. So guys, see noodle in there. We have 6-pack of what you call it? Ramen.
Fun challenges, unforgettable moments, and feel-good unity.
Noodle. See pot here. So you didn't put the pepper in boil first, girl.
No.
I want everything boil out to make it well out of your mouth.
This isn't just content, it's a whole vibe.
No, sir. Windsor get less of that.
Get which less. Get which less. And then me and him pass.
Don't miss it.
What has teeth but cannot bite?
Huh?
Well, it can be far, but I was looking for coal.
Go there to the bite.
Coming soon, only on Kelly Tunes. Before you go, let's share some love. Supporting small creators can make a big difference. And today, I want to shine a light on a few amazing YouTube channels that deserve way more eyes on them. Chrisanne's Bible Story. If you love faith-based content and storytelling with a creative twist, this channel brings AI-generated Bible stories to life in a fun and unique way. It's currently at 213 subscribers, but we're speaking it into being. Let's push it to 300 and beyond. CJ's Corner, a sweet and colorful world for kids. This channel is packed with fun learning activities, coloring time, and kid-friendly joy. It's sitting at 14 subs, and with your help, we can bust it to a nice clean 100 real quick. Pom Pom Parade. If you're into cute and creative crafts, this is the place. From adorable art to simple DIYs, she's at 24 subs, and I feel like we can help her craft her way to 100 plus. Let's show her what community looks like. And bestie, don't forget to stay connected with me personally on The Kelly Effect. That's where you'll find the real me behind the scenes, my daily life, seeing me try new things, more skits, vibes, and all the little things I don't always share on my AI-generated channel. It's raw, fun, and full of heart. Find out who is really Kelly Tunes. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment on these amazing channels. Let them know you came with love.